family, I'm sharing the beginnings of me getting ready to prepare my chicken soup. And Jenny, remember I told you about the capsule which you place items in that you don't want floating loose around in your soup? You put them in this capsule, which I still can't remember the name right now, but I'll get it and write it in the comment section when I get ready to put the video up. Well, that's the top, and you see the chain, and you have that little piece right there that you hook over the side of the pot so it can stay secure, so the capsule don't be floating all around and everything. And inside, I am going to try. I'm going to share with you the ingredients I have inside this capsule to help flavor my chicken soup. What I'm doing this morning, I decided to put a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Yes, garlic. I'm trying it in a capsule. That way it won't be inside of the soup, but it'll help flavor the soup. We'll see how my stomach, reacts to it that way. And like I said, you have to try the stuff over to completely eliminate. So this way, I'm doing it this way, besides doing it the other way where I was eating it with the meal, on the meal. So I have in here a teaspoon of chopped garlic. I have a piece of chopped ginger, piece of chopped turmeric. I have some parsley. I have some mint. I have some lemon thyme, and I have some oregano and sage, fresh sage. So everything is fresh inside of this capsule. So these are the items that I'm going to use to help me flavor my chicken soup for today. Just sharing. You might want to know what I'm doing. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, family, let the camera focus in. I am showing you my cubed up chicken breast. I left a wee bit of fat on there because I need some flavor. And I chopped up some celery. Now, my seasonings on here, I put the coconut aminos, some Italian season with all the different herbs and stuff. And I also, some salt, celery, some celery seed, and what else? And some cilantro, and some cilantro. So this is what I'm about to put in the pot. I did squeeze some lemon on there. But anyway, it's going in a pot of the water with my tube capsule that has all my little extra bonus herbs and flavorings in it. I did put a couple of orange and lemon peels in there too. So let's see what this is going to be, how it's going to work out. Hope it's tasty. And like I already told you, come on camera, focus. Told you that I'm going to roast my veggies and add them around the end of cooking because I don't want them to fall to pieces. I want my chunky vegetables in there with the chunks of chicken in a tasty broth. Okay, so just sharing that. We'll have a picture of this meat and stuff. Alright, be back in a minute. Be back later. I'm back to show you some of the veggies that I'm about to roast. Eggplant, tomato, carrots, squash, bell pepper, orange carrots, white carrots, yellow carrots, and that's about it. So they'll be chunky, and you'll see them all inside of my chicken soup here. So I'll be back when all this is ready. Alright. Remember, I'm making over my sensitive gut. Trying to anyway. Food. Um, Food items. Trying to pick food items right now is a challenge for me because, I don't know which ones until I, do the elimination thing. So it's challenging but exciting and fun all at the same time. I'm enjoying the heck out of this, plus I'm eating healthy and I'm losing more weight. Let me see. Down 23 pounds. So I'm constantly losing pounds, hopefully inches too. That's nice. My clothes are looser on me, but I have a ways to go with my swole self. But not being critical of me or criticizing me. Alright, I'll be back. Just chit-chatting about what I'm doing. Be back, family. Okay, family, I'm back. My soup is ready. My chicken soup. And at the end, like I said, I added my roasted veggies. Eggplant, carrot, bell pepper, squash, yellow carrots, white carrots, and orange carrots. And tomato, roasted tomato. And did I say bell pepper? And also that white little chunks in there. I boiled some eggs and I just used the white of the egg. I chopped in there. I wanted a bite of egg in there. And the seasonings that I put in that capsule worked out great. The soup is very flavorful. Remember, you'll see in the video where I'm sharing the capsule where I put in some mint leaves, sage, thyme, lemon thyme, oregano, parsley, lemon, orange peel, a teaspoon of garlic, what else? Oh yeah, the turmeric and the ginger. I believe that's everything. And it flavored this up great. And also, I put in some Italian seasoning, celery seeds, the coconut amino, salt, I think that's about it. The cilantro. And all those flavors mingled together with the roasted veggies is very delicious. And chunks of chicken breast. Don't forget my chicken breast. And chunks of chicken breast in this chicken flavor soup. As you can see, the broth, I have lots of broth. And it's hearty because of all the vegetables in the meat. And I'm going to be eating on this for a couple of days. Just wanted to share, family. Get in focus, camera. So, hope you guys enjoy this meal I'm sharing with you today, and hopefully you'll try it. Get you a capsule. Anything you don't want floating around in your food, soups, stocks, broths, and stuff like that, get a capsule. I got mine from Amazon. So, I guess you'll type in their food capsule, and you can put all the little herbs and whatever spices you want so that they won't be floating around in your food. They'll stay in the capsule and flavor the food up that way, and you can take that out and still have all the flavors. Okay, so try that out, and thanks again, family, for all your support. And I know my stomach is going to feel good because I heard that chicken broth is good for the gut. So here's to everybody. I'm going to start eating my food now. Pictures and music at the end of my video as usual. Bye for now. Oh, I don't know if I'm showing you the pot, but all these flavors mingled together are very delicious. Try it, you guys. The flavors, the lemon peel, the orange peel, and all those little spice herbs and stuff I put in that capsule really flavored this soup broth. So give it a try. Okay? And I will be coming up with another gardening video soon. And for my other herbs that I want to get. Okay? Okay, bye.